How to buy TikTok coins with credit card. Hello everybody. If you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow up these simple steps. First thing is you may go ahead and open up your TikTok application. And once you open it up like this, you should be finding this For You page interface. Now from here, what you can do is you may head over to your profile in the bottom right corner. Tap on it to open it up. And once your profile appears, you may head over to the balance option from your screen. Otherwise, you may look for the three dots that lights at the top. Tap on it and look for balance. Tap on it. So once you open up your balance, it will lead you to the balance page, your wallet. So just wait for that to load up first. And then once it loads up like this, you may look for your balance here and look for your coins. So right now you can see I have 0 coins. So what you can do is look for this get coins option on your screen and tap on it. And then once you go ahead and tap on it, it will lead you to another page. So wait for that page to load up. Now all you gotta do is look out for the coins, like how much coin would you like to add on your TikTok wallet. For example, 70. So just go ahead and select that and tap on recharge from your screen. And in order to add a credit card, you don't need to do anything. You can directly add by starting a payment method. You can get the option of add credit or debit card. Just go ahead and tap on one. And then it will redirect you to another page where you can add up your credit card credentials. Just go ahead and add up your card number, your date, expiration date, and your security code, and tap on save card, and that should do it. So that is it. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.